My name is Jasmine. In this video, I'm going to show you about how to save a single sheet from a multiple sheets. Here, as you can see, there is one Excel sheet open here, which is named as multiple sheet, and here there are multiple sheets over here. But I don't want all the sheets together. I want, for example, this conversion sheets in a new book. So what is the procedure for that? Don't do like this way, that is copy simply Control C and Control V in another new book. The other procedure is very simple. Select that sheet which you want to take it in a new book. Right click and click on move or copy. Here you can see it selected sheets to book and a drop down list is there. As I want this sheet in a new book, so I'm going to select it as a new book. And this is the option is create a copy. Just need to tick mark that. This is the main thing. If you forget this, then this copy won't be there only. And click OK. Now as you can see that conversion sheet is in a new book. What you know I have to do, the last procedure is just to save this file in a selected location. And that's it. I will just give the name conversions. That's it. You can select any sheet and save it in a new book.